Hey, welcome back to The Average Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade Caesar salad dressing from scratch. Pretty simple. Let's get started. So I've got 2 egg yolks that I separated by hand. I'm going to throw in a tablespoon of minced garlic into our bowl. Anchovy paste. Now I know it doesn't really, well, we wrote the date on it so we know when it expires, but it's pretty plain, but you get that in the, usually in the freezer or the fridge section of the grocery store. So we'll do a teaspoon. So we'll sort of just guess here a little bit. Doesn't really look overly appealing, but that's okay. We'll throw in our 2 egg yolks, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. And then if you're lucky enough to have fresh lemon at home, which I don't right now, I would say squeeze half a lemon or probably about a teaspoon or a tablespoon and a half of lemon juice. Then we'll throw in some salt and pepper. That's kind of to your desirable taste of what you like. So I'm going to give that a quick mix by hand. And you may be wondering why I have this set up on these cork things. When we start whisking in our vegetable oil, it just helps from the bowl from not skating all over the island and you're chasing it down or whatever. It just makes it a lot easier. So I'll put that aside for now. So now I've got 3/4 cup of vegetable oil and I've got a balloon whisk. And what I'm going to do is slowly start pouring that in while whisking it.
What does that do?
I think in theory, it just helps mix the oil better throughout your other ingredients rather than dumping 3/4 cup on top of everything else. So this way here, it helps give it a little bit of air in your sauce, I guess, to make it look, I guess, fluffier. But I really think it comes down to just really wanting to make sure that it's mixed in properly. So you'll see there's a lot of, well, there's not much movement in my bowl here because I have it on those 2 cork, I don't even know what you call those, counter savers when you got hot pots.
Pot holders?
Pot holders? Really? So we're almost done here. And you'll see, well, that already, you can see how thick that sauce is, and you can see that it's already mixed all the way through. So I definitely suggest, and I've said that on previous videos before, any salad dressing is way better cold. So I would suggest putting this in the fridge for an hour or 2 before you're gonna serve it to give it time to set up and chill down. That quick and easy. You've got homemade Caesar salad dressing that makes about maybe a cup or just over a cup. Should be good for about 4 good-sized supper-sized Caesar salads, depending on how much dressing you like. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one.